everyone, welcome back to our channel. Mike here from TeamHira Adventures. Hopefully this year will be a blessed and a safe year. So today guys, we are making a pot of soup with all the drinking, eating for the holiday. So we're doing some, I'm doing a pot of soup, put back some nutrient in the body. My resolution is for this year to try to eat more healthy. Alright, so let me show you what I have for the vegetable to go in the soup. And as they go along, I have some more other stuff going to go in. So over here, I got cassava, arrow, yam. Inside here, a sweet potato. Chicken cube here, I will put maybe a couple of that inside. I have baby pak choy, 2 bell pepper. I have some mushroom, parabellum mushroom. And I have a bunch of celery here, 2 onion. I have some corn. And then also I have some chicken that I bake. I was thinking I put chicken foot, but seeing that we have the baked chicken, we will use up the baked chicken inside the soup. And I also have the barley. The barley is already soaked. Cassava plant and everything. The sweet potato. The yam, I soak it overnight. Make sure I get most of the starch out of it. And I also have 2 green plantain. This will go in the soup also. Alright guys, I put the cassava, the sweet potato, the yam, the arrow inside the water with the barley. So that will boil it now. Then I'm going to have 2 cubes here. I'll add this 2 cubes inside. And then over here, I already wash all the vegetable with vinegar. Make sure it's clean. I'm washing the pak choy here. I just wash it. I have to drain it. Wash the mushroom. And this is my little brush that I clean the mushroom with. Get it real clean and nice. So the pak choy, we don't add it too early. We got them in the soup. We add about 10 minutes or 15 minutes more for finish. Then we got the pak choy because we don't want it melted. Okay, see, I wash the mushroom here. The mushroom, I wash it clean with vinegar and everything like that. And this is the arrow is boiling there now. Once it's boiled, then I'm gonna add the vegetable inside. Vegetable mushroom, I season it with I put salt, garlic powder, some cayenne pepper, some onion powder, and some lemon pepper inside there. Then drop it in the soup. We gonna add the vegetable in now in the soup. Cassava, the yam, the arrow, the sweet potato. You don't blend because I soak it overnight. So it cook real fast. All the starch is out from it. So we add this vegetable inside now. Alright guys, so I'm adding all the vegetable right now, and I have 2 pepper here, 2 hot pepper. I will put 2 hot pepper in. I have a coconut milk I will add in. And this is the mushroom here cooking. When this finished cooked, then I will drop this inside the soup. Add the vitamin C. So I will cut this 2 pepper inside the 2 hot pepper in there now. Once the mushroom finished, then we get put that in. And then I might make some whole grain wheat dumpling. Guyana is a duff. So I might make a couple little dumpling and put it in with a whole grain wheat flour. Alright guys, so the mushroom is finished here now. And you can make this as a side dish if you want. When you eat in your food, make it as a side dish. It's very healthy. So that's finished. We're going to drop that in the soup. Also I have 2 pack noodle here, chicken noodle. It's 2 small packet chicken noodle. I'm gonna add this inside. And so what we gonna do, I'm gonna make a little, I'm not making too much of dumpling, the duff, because the kahari is already full. So I'll just make a little of this whole grain wheat flour, high in fiber. Cover it, leave it for about 10 minutes, and then I'll start to roll it and wrap it inside the soup. So that's the whole grain wheat flour with the baking powder, the salt, and some warm water. And I mash it there. I knead it for like 6-7 minutes. So I will cover it and leave it for 10 minutes. So that's how this soup look there. It's coming really nice. All the vegetable inside. I add in the baby pak choy. I added in about 2 minutes ago. It's healthy soup, a lot of vegetable. I cut the corn up. You see the corn is there. So the other thing I have to add now is the add the dumpling now. I'm not make it too big, nice and small. Just small around. I just stir them up inside here. Nice and tiny. So we'll roll out the rest of that, and then after the soup is finished, I will show you what it looks like. Alright, so this is the soup there. Soup is finished. I just got it low heat. And that's the whole grain duff that I put in. This is the whole grain dumpling. So nice, it's swelled up, fluffy and nice. Alright guys, so this is what I take out. I will taste it now. Perfect. Don't need anything more. I'll just leave this on low heat. Then I'll shut it off in about 2-3 minutes. Alright guys, hope you like this recipe with the soup I make. This is after the holiday soup. Like back to stomach with good nutrient. Alright guys, thank you everyone for watching. Please leave us a like, share, comment and subscribe. See you back soon in the next video.